Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So I'm back after a long time. So today we'll do the hands-on on the Databricks. So first of all, I will tell you how to create the Databricks community account. So I already have the Databricks account. So who does not have the account, I will tell you how to create it. It is very simple. You just need to go to the Google and type how to sign up Databricks uh, community edition, and after that you will get this community edition home page to log in. So just open it, and you will see here there is the options to who don't have the account, so you just need to click on sign up, and after that this page will come, and you have to enter your email ID. Okay, and after that you have to click on continue with the email. Then you will receive the email from the Databricks. You just need to verify and verify that, and after that the account will be created. And once created the account, you just need to open the page like communityclouddatabricks.com. Then this page will come up. Then you have to enter your email ID, whatever the email ID you have registered with the Databricks. You have to enter the email ID. Then you have to click on continue. Yeah, you can see I just enter my email ID, and after that I will get the verification code. Just let me open the email, then I will see the verification code here. So let me open my email. So I got the verification code here. Just let me copy that, and I have to enter here. Now the account has been verified, and I am able to open the database community UI. So before creating the notebooks, you can see those are the option are available in the Databricks, like the workspace. In the workspace, you can create organize your notebooks and the folder. You can create it. And in the recent, like the whatever the notebook you have opened and you are already working on that, then you will able to see here. And in the catalog, if you want to create the table from the Databricks here, you can do it. Or if you want to upload something, like if you have the suppose you have some of the raw data and you want to uh, put inside the Databricks workspace, then you just need to drag and drop here, then the file would be uploaded. So nothing to worry about it. While doing the practical, like the hands-on, I will tell you how to download and how to upload it. And workflow is it is not the part of the community edition, so that's why it is not open. You can see it is saying you have to upgrade the Databricks subscription, and after that you will be able to get the options to use the workflow. And after that, the compute. The compute is nothing. It is just it is the main thing. Like you have to create the cluster uh, before working on the your Databricks. So first we have to create the cluster here. So let me create one of the cluster so that I can use the Spark and to Spark engine to use the to ETL some data. Okay, so if you see here, while creating the cluster, first of all you can rename the name here, like you can do like the demo cluster. Okay, it's up to you what name you want to choose, and after that you can see here the Databricks runtime. Okay, so it is a standard one, and there is also ML one. So machine learning, I think it is not required for the timing, so you can take the standard one. So latest is the 16.2, but I will take the 15.4, which is the 15.4 LTS, like it means the long-term support. So I will choose the 15.4 here. And there is no any customized options to choose the memory and the CPU because it is the community edition. So it does not allow to select the to customize the instances. Okay, so let's take the default settings and let we can to create compute. So while creating the cluster, you can see I have the multiple data like the in the CSV format, also some of the JSON format. So first of all, we have to read the data from the CSV format. So if you see here, it is the data which I have. Okay. So it has, I think, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 columns. So what I'll do, I create the data frame using the Spark, and after that I will read the data from the CSV file. So how to read it? Then after I will show you after creating the cluster. So I think it is taking some time to create the cluster. So once it's created, then we can upload the data. I think in the meantime we can upload the data here. So let me go to the catalog and click on create table, and you can do demo data, right? So the path would be slash file store tables demo slash data. So in this path, my data would be uploaded by the. So let me click on download. Yeah, I think this is the one which I selected earlier. So let me upload it inside this path. So it is the path. So I have to copy here because while reading the data using the Spark, this path is required. So let me save here. So it's still running. So let's wait for another 2 minutes. So once created the cluster, then we have to create the notebook. Then after that we will try to read the data from the CSV file. So our cluster is up now. So let's go to click on new and click on notebook. File. So in order to read the CSV file, so you have to create the data frame. Spark read CSV path equal to, you have to paste the path here, then info schema. So info schema will read the data, and according to the data type, it will create the schema. So you have to use the info schema equal to true. Then obviously the header is required. So you have to mention header equal to true. And if you want to display the data, then you have to use the display. Okay. So let's see. Yeah, and make sure while running this command, I mean running this uh, code, you make sure it should be connected to the cluster. So while running this command, it automatically connected to my cluster here. So you can see the data, uh, we have created the data frame, and it is able to read the data from my CSV file and also able to display the data here. So I think the video is a little bit lengthy. So what I'll do in the next session, I will create the schema. Okay. So because we are using the info schema here, so it means it will read the whole data and to identify the data type and which is the cost effective. So because in the production environment, so if you use the info schema equal true, then it will read the whole schema data, and it will identify the data type, so it is very cost effective. So what I'll do, I will create our own schema, and while reading the data, we can use our uh, own schema here instead of using the info schema, so that it will the data will be read and it will attach our schema. Okay, so thank you guys. So I'll connect in the next session to create the schema for that. Okay? Thank you.